I got some brakes to do on that wee beastie behind me. So it's a 2023 Tiguan. And I'm not going to use Otis this time. And everyone out there is going to go, oh, well, you've got Otis, you can use Otis. I can, but I'm not going to. I'm going to turn you around now. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the top-down One Plus. I've got the VCR connected with Wi-Fi. And now we're going to wind the pistons back, because that's what I need to do. I need to wind them pistons back. So I can do auto scan, or you can go buy a Volkswagen, because that's what it is, Tiguan. We're going to do it. I've got the bonnet open as well because it's got diagnostic firewall. It's a Tiguan and it's newer than 2018 and it's in the UK, not the USA. Let's get in it. General mode. You can do guided if you want, it just helps you. We know what we need to do here. If you want to know what pads I'm fitting as well, there's the part number 3QO615416R, and they do have direction to travel just in case, and they used to have my name on them. There's a bit of useless info for the day, but if you didn't know, there's the brand that they are, ATE, VW Audi Group, and they've got the arrows. You didn't know, now you do. Let's get into brakes. Replacing brake pads. Okay, yeah. It. As easy as that, and you can hear them. Job done. And that's going to say pop the ignition off so we don't waste any battery, crack on with the job, and I'll bring you back and we can turn them on and we can function test them, and all is well. And we have the new pads in, wheels on. Let's follow it. You will hear the ramps going up and down as well. It's quite loud. Let's apply the parking brake. So that, and the Tiguan is here. Complete. And then we can function test it. Ooh. That's it. So we don't actually need to do that because that's not function test. But there we go. And guide mode is pretty much the same. Let it do its thing. We'll show you over here. Love this tool. It's fantastic. If you don't want to get yourself one, by the way, guys, I'll pop a link in the description. Not a link. I'll pop a discount code in the description. Get you 10% off one of these bad boys. Very versatile tool. Very, very versatile tool. There we go. So control module, set and reset. It's going to take you through essentially the guided version, so we don't need to worry about it. Right, so sorted. So I've done these brakes. We're happy as Larry, and there we are. I've got some updates to do as well. Just quickly while I've got you on here, guys. It's dead easy. Obviously connected to the internet. It needs a stable internet connection to do this, and we get lots of updates. I can just tick them all, go select all, update. And then you get some of them in T-darts and stuff like that. But there's 24 updates. Big VW Audi update as well. Ooh, exciting stuff. Anyway, this has been a Top Down One Plus. Like I say, if you want a discount code, it's 10% off in the description. That'll see you right on any Top Down UK physical products as well, guys. So just as you're aware, but I'm going to crack on with talking these wheels up now. Job's a good one. I'll see you in the next one.